I think that for now, we have a lot of ground to cover in northeastern Ohio. I'm very opportunistic, so if I get wind of an opportunity, let's say in Cincinnati or in Toledo, we would definitely look into that. But I think right now, I'm a firm believer if you can't help the area you're from, you can't help anywhere.
BusinessJournalDaily.com. 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
Who's the only local bank with a mobile mortgage app? Farmers. Download the app to contact your lender, calculate payments, securely scan and upload documents, and check the status of your loan. Fiercely local, fiercely loyal, Farmers.
1, 2, 3.
We are celebrating the grand opening of our newest urgent care location, which happens to be within the city limits of Youngstown. We're very excited about this ribbon cutting. It's probably out of all the ribbon cuttings I've done the most impactful because it is in a healthcare desert, which is the city of Youngstown. As we expand, we typically look for suburbs of need where we have good payer mixes, but our social mission started to transition as we went into the school districts and realized that need-based care can be sustainable care when done correctly. So we decided to take a chance and put an urgent care within the city limits, and we're very happy that we did. This is number 10 for our standalones. We're at number 10, and we also have 10 school-based clinics, so 20 touch points, but 10 standalones. We actually have a Salem location that is set to start construction here in the next few months. That'll be number 11. We're very excited about that, too. That'll be in collaboration with Salem Hospital. For our community, and we talk about the Valley and rebuilding Youngstown, we look at areas of healthcare inequity, and when you look at Youngstown in general, we have the third highest population of children that are in poverty. And what we know is that poverty has a correlation with bad health, and a lot of it has to do with access. So the one thing that we knew we could do to curb inequity in care is to bring care closer to those who need it, and that's why we decided to start here in the south side of Youngstown, just knowing the demographic, the population, and the need-based care. Just like our other projects, this was a business move, so we self-funded it in partnership with the city, people who live here. You know, we know that if you build it, they will come, and we really believe that. We really believe that when you put your heart and your money in the right place, the community will reciprocate, and we are very we're very convinced that that's what's going to occur, and it has been. We've been seeing a lot of patients so far. You get to the point where you strategically place urgent cares for a business that wants to be successful. You do it for sustainability and the ability to bring in revenue. At some point, you know, we had to we met a crossroads of need versus profitability, and deciding to make your business model drive your social model, or the opposite, which is having your social model drive your business model. And that's what our mission is here. How do we make the social model, which is curbing inequity in care, match a business model of sustainability? And that's a challenge that I'm in the process of developing, and we hope to start here. I think that for now, we have a lot of ground to cover in northeastern Ohio. I'm very opportunistic, so if I get wind of an opportunity, let's say in Cincinnati or in Toledo, we would definitely look into that. But I think right now, I'm a firm believer if you can't help the area you're from, you can't help anywhere. So we'd like to consolidate and cover our bases and cover our ground in northeastern Ohio, specifically in the Mahoning Valley, and then we'll branch out of that, and that's what we've been doing. So our locations in Ravenna and Akron and Strongsville, Medina, and soon to be Lakewood, they're all part of a strategic plan to continue to cover a blanket of urgent care coverage and need across the Valley first.
BusinessJournalDaily.com. 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
Who's the only local bank with a mobile mortgage app? Farmers. Download the app to contact your lender, calculate payments, securely scan and upload documents, and check the status of your loan. Fiercely local, fiercely loyal, Farmers.